This tree could end the desertification crisis, but nobody's talking about it. UN Convention to Combat Desertification. At a high-level event on the margins of the UN General Assembly in New York, world leaders meet at UNCCD COP17. What if I told you there's a tree that can grow in the Sahara Desert and Sahel Desert survive 113 degrees Fahrenheit heat and actually make money while fighting desertification? While world leaders debate climate solutions, there's already a proven technology growing in the Gobi Desert that could transform millions of acres of dead land into profitable, carbon-absorbing ecosystems. In the next 3.5 minutes, I'm going to show you how this could be the biggest opportunity in climate investing. Part 1. The desert solution. Every year, we lose 24 billion tons of fertile soil to desertification. Traditional solutions fail because tree planting has 90% mortality rates in arid conditions. But Paulownia trees are already thriving in extreme conditions. Gobi Desert in Egypt and Burkina Faso. Proven success since 2005, temperature tolerance. Survives up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Water efficiency, 1,000 liters in year 1. Then drought tolerant with 5+ meter taproots. Regenerative, coppices after cutting, no replanting needed. The game changer. This creates entire ecosystems. Shade for intercropping, soil restoration, and carbon sequestration. Part 2. The economic engine desert restoration that pays for itself. Revenue streams. Biochar, 2.57 to 3.26 CO2 credits per ton, $50 to $200 per ton. Mechanized harvesting, 80 to 100 tons per hour. Intercropping, food crops, honey, livestock fodder grown underneath timber. Premium sustainable wood products. The math. $2,000 to $5,000 investment per hectare generates $10,000 to $20,000 over 10 years while restoring degraded land. Part 3. The private capital opportunity. Why this scales faster than government programs. The model. 5,000 to 10,000 hectare drought resilience belts. Sterile, non-invasive hybrids, no ecological risk. Forward sell biochar through offtake agreements, satellite monitoring for verification. The scale, 2 billion hectares of degraded land globally. Even 1% adoption equals 20 million hectares. Potential market, $50 to $200 billion, 1 to 2 billion tons of CO2 removal annually. Why investors love this multiple revenue streams, 3 to 5 year payback periods. Measurable impact, ESG compliance. Your time to shine. While politicians debate, private investors are scaling solutions that work. Desert restoration with Paulownia isn't just necessary, it's profitable. This represents one of the largest opportunities in climate investing, turning degraded land into productive ecosystems with multiple revenue streams. Subscribe for more climate solutions that actually scale. The desert crisis has a solution. Will you be part of scaling it? Contact us for Paulownia saplings and planting assistance at bioeconomysolutions.com and schedule a confidential briefing.